Assalamu alaikum. This is Shkila Rauf, your English teacher. My dear students, how are you all? Today, the period of English literature and the work which we are going to do in our class is chapter number 3 of the novel Moby Dick, written by Herman Melville. So, going into the follow-up activities, we are going to do question number 5th in our copies today. So what the question number 5 is saying, do you think it will be easy for the men on the Pequod to find the white whale? Do you think Captain Ahab's plan will be helpful in this quest? So in this question, my dear students, what you need to do, you people need to give your own views, your own thoughts, and write the answer in your own question. What you need to do, you people, first of all, there are two portions of the question. First portion, you people need to target the first part of the question. Do you think it will be easy for the man on the Pequod to find the white whale? You people will give your answer in yes or no. If you think yes, then there should be a reason to support your answer. If you want to say no, then again there should be a logic to give your answer. Fine, both are right. You may say yes or no. Second part, there are sporting details. Do you think Captain Ahab's plan will be helpful in this quest, in this adventure? You people need to tell here Captain Ahab's plan which he has made to capture the Moby Dick and want to chase her, will be it successful or not? Will it be helpful to capture the Moby Dick or not? You people need to give 4 to 5 sentences over there. That's all. Thank you so much, students. Please write down its answer in your neat copies as your notes, as these classes will not be, these lectures, these selected topics will not be repeated in the physical classes. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.